Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the HiFiGo Binary Times Gizaudio Chopin, a fascinating hybrid in-ear monitor. This collaboration features an 8mm dynamic driver paired with 3 balanced armatures, aiming for a specific kind of sound experience. Binary Acoustics, the company behind this, has been on a mission since 2017 to achieve exceptional sound quality in the smallest, most streamlined form factor possible. Their core philosophy is letting your ears truly convey sound and emotion, designing products that essentially disappear when you're listening, allowing you to completely immerse yourself in the music and feel that original, pure sound. The brand concept revolves around sound excellence, minimalism, and comfort. They meticulously design their audio products to embody both clarity and ergonomic comfort, promising an unparalleled musical experience. The Chopin, specifically, is highlighted for its distinction and clarity. With that hybrid driver setup, the dynamic driver for the lows and the BAs for the mids and highs, you can anticipate a sound signature that is detailed and precise. The emphasis on clarity suggests a transparent presentation where nuances in the music are easily revealed, while distinction implies excellent separation between instruments and layers, creating a spacious and organized soundstage. Looking at the technical side, the Chopin has an impedance of 12 ohms, making it quite easy to drive from a wide range of devices without needing a powerful amplifier. It comes packaged with soft-ear UC ear tips in small, medium, and large sizes, which is a thoughtful inclusion for ensuring a good fit and connect via standard 3.5mm plug. The physical design aligns with Binary's focus on minimalism and comfort. The goal is for the IEMs to be so comfortable and unobtrusive that you forget you're wearing them, allowing for that deep immersion into the music. This ergonomic approach is key to their promise of an unparalleled experience, letting you focus solely on the pure sound. Ultimately, the HiFiGo Binary Times Gizaudio Chopin appears to be crafted for listeners who value a clear, detailed, and well-separated sound presentation, delivered through a comfortable and minimalist design. It embodies Binary's vision of pure sound and aims to provide an immersive listening experience where the music takes center stage. If clarity, distinction, and ergonomic comfort are high on your list, the Chopin looks like a compelling option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.